Hello student, this video is for class 10, chapter 10, light, reflection and refraction. Topics to be covered in this chapter are light, reflection of light, spherical mirror and its type, image formation by convex mirror and concave mirror, refraction of light, refraction through glass slab, image formation by lenses, lens formula, and the last one, power of lens. These topics you can copy in one page. Let's begin with topic 1, light. So before this, I want to tell you the importance of light. Why are we going to learn about light? What is the objective behind this? So as we know, there are many common phenomena related to light, like when we keep our pencil in a bowl or in a glass, we see that look something slant, not straight. We see another phenomena of rainbow, that is also related to light. Some other phenomena like refraction of light, reflection of light, that we will discuss in this chapter. So just to know about the concept of these common phenomena, we are going to learn about light. So what is actually light? Do you know when it is dark in our room, when the power is cut off, we are not able to see any object around us, but as we get the supply of electricity and bulb is on, we see things around us. That is the beauty of light. In daytime, we get light from sun that enables us to see objects around us, and at night or in daytime in the room, we see objects by the light that we get from the bulb. So let's know about the definition of the light. So first thing, it is a form of energy. We have already discussed these things in our junior classes. Light is a form of energy which enables us, you can note down, which enables us to see object around us. Light is a form of energy which enables us to see objects around us. So this is what light. Now let's know about some properties of light. So first thing, it always travels on a straight path. First property, always travels on a straight path. Always travels on a straight path. One more property you can write about the speed of light. The speed of light is measurable and it is about 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and it is denoted by small c. This convention has been taken since air. We always denote speed of light by small c. One more thing I want to discuss here, ray of light. This we will use in this chapter many times. Ray of light. So what is that? So to show the direction of light, we use a ray like this. This will show a ray of light, means a ray of light falling on the surface. It is emerging from a ray of light emerging from there. To that time we will use ray of light. One more thing, beam of light. This also will be used in this chapter, beam of light. So when there is bunch of light rays, that time we will use this word beam of light, means like there are bunch of rays. So now this is collectively known as beam of light. Clear? ray of light and beam of light. So as I told you, there are many common phenomena related to light. So one of them, reflection of light, we are going to discuss. Reflection of light. Okay. When a light ray strike with a opaque surface, like let us suppose this light ray is traveling in a medium and it strikes a boundary. Let us suppose there is a mirror in front of this. Then what will happen? There is no option for light to get transmitted from here, as it is opaque object. So what will happen? We can imagine a situation like a boy hits the football and there is a wall. This football will not bounce back as long as the football is not hitting the wall. But as the football hit the ball, what will happen? It will be bounced back in the same in the opposite direction. So the same thing will happen with the light ray also. What will happen? It will bounce back in opposite direction. Clear? So this is what reflection of light. When light ray strikes on opaque surface, it gets bounced back. That is known as reflection of light ray. So now you can write down the definition of reflection of light. The bouncing back of light ray when it strikes a boundary is called reflection of light. Now at the end of video, I am going to give you homework. Please write down. You have to write these topics that we will discuss in this chapter and learn definition of light and reflection of light. Thank you. Have a nice day.